just basically, I've been wanting to do makeup for a long time, but I don't really want to do like a get ready with me because I don't think I'm all that interesting. So what I'm gonna do to make it more interesting is, you see this? I'm just gonna recreate that. Anyways, I suck. It's probably not gonna turn out very good, but it's fun to try. I just wanna get started on the look. I'm probably gonna do the sun side first, even though I really wanna do the moon side. I'm gonna be using the Zulu by Juvia's palette. It looks like this. I guess I'll go with this first. Okay, right or left? I guess no, I'll copy it. Okay, so this is the blue, this is the yellow, okay. Okay, here we go. I hope this turns out good. Otherwise, I'm gonna be so upset and this is gonna be a waste. Okay. I really wanna go in with the orange. And just do like a simple blend it. She kind of has like this red lip and eyebrow thing going on. So I have like a red. I'm gonna be using the Bondage color, this one right here. And I'm just gonna like put it in the crease. I don't know, you'll see. Ooh, okay. Wait, actually, it's like not looking too bad.
My feet.
I'm nervous.
No. Not really. Yes, but not really.
This is the Huda Beauty palette. So I'm just dabbing the color on first where I want it. Now I'm just gonna go in with this darker blue and kind of do what I did here, the red, because he does have like some blue going on. So just add a little symmetricalness. Okay. I think we can tell at this part of the video that I'm definitely not very good at makeup. Like, the drive is there, but is it talent? No. Okay, this is where we're at right now. How do you think it looks?
Good.
I keep ruining it. Now I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star concealer. I literally don't know what the name of it is. I'm gonna fix whatever I need to fix up there. And definitely what I need to fix all up in here. Now I'm gonna be using the Airspun to set my whole face. It's the rosy beige color. Okay. This is where we're kind of at now. I have made the executive decision to make this shitty look better by adding sparkles. Because if you add sparkles, you can't really see how much of a mess you made. I'm not gonna show you guys how much I struggled with this. Not at all. Okay. I think I'm just gonna use this pink under this eye and then a purple from the Fetish Kat Von D palette. And honestly, I'm just gonna say it. This is way too boring for me to make this video. So I'm gonna be like contouring and stuff Like one side of my face is the sun and then like the other side.
Okay, I'm just gonna step in here because I'm so tired of editing this because it literally gets worse and worse. So basically what I do is I contour using like the blue and the orange, and it just makes such a big mess. Like, I literally end up looking like a clown. My nose. Like, I laugh at myself now because I was so positive that it was going to turn out okay. And it just did not turn out okay. And then I start doing eyeliner. And I'm just going to skip to how it looks at the end. Oh my God. Yeah. And then I end up putting the lashes on, and it doesn't look too bad. Like, although I look like I just got beat, not too bad. Then I throw on some lipstick, put on my setting spray, and face defeat of this stupid look. And yo, even though this look is trash, I still do be looking hella cute.
So this is the final look. I mean, it's not the best, but like I said, I put myself out there, okay? I did this, I started at like 1 and it's literally like 4:30 right now. And still raining, by the way, which doesn't help my mood. So if I ever say that I am good at makeup or that I know how to do makeup, y'all know I'm lying.